Aditi Devo Bhava. A guest is a worshipful person to be respected and served with love, care and dignity. Welcome to Bon Voyage Group. Bon Voyage Group established in 2008 with a mission to provide quality service as a specialist in the delivery of unique travel experiences. The company has its corporate office in Trivandrum with branch and associate offices in all major Indian metros. We offer a wide range of destination management services and tour packages to clients and travel partners worldwide to help them experience the best of all service. Professional travel service backed up by considerable experience and meticulous attention to detail are our hallmark. Our team offers new and imaginative ideas, personal attention and work to our clients' budget requirements, ensuring our clientele with unparalleled service. Bon Voyage Group is specialist in tailor-made holidays to India, Far East, Middle East, US and Europe. The group is fastest growing tour company in world with the mission of providing unique tours. Our travel division, Bon Voyage International. The other verticals of the group include Kerala Tour Cafe, is a Kerala State Tourism Development Corporation approved and certified general sales agent in Kerala, a dedicated team to handle travel needs for travelers to Kerala. Bon Voyage India team handles all travel packages for across India other than Kerala. Do log on to all our division sites for details of each vertical's working. www.keralatourcafe.com. Kerala has emerged as the most acclaimed tourism destination of the country in the recent past. World Travel and Tourism Council has selected Kerala as a partner state. National Geographic Traveller, after 2 years of research, has chosen Kerala as one of the 50 must-see destinations of a lifetime. Kerala has been stated as one of the 10 paradises of the world. Until the early 1980s, Kerala was a hitherto unknown destination, with most tourism circuits concentrated around the north of the country. Aggressive marketing campaigns launched by the Kerala Tourism, the government agency that oversees tourism prospects of the state, laid the foundation for the growth of the tourism industry. In the decades that followed, Kerala Tourism was able to transform itself into one of the niche holiday destinations in India. The tagline, Kerala, God's own country, was adopted in its tourism promotions and became synonymous with the state. Today, Kerala Tourism is a global super brand and regarded as one of the destinations with the highest brand recall. Bon Voyage team of tour executives are well versed in planning and executing holiday packages in Kerala. We have a team of well-experienced professional and friendly drivers who can interact in English and Hindi with the clients. We handle each and every booking with personal care and position the itinerary in such a way that the client gets the best for the money he is spending. www.bonvoyageinternational.in. According to the Pacific Asia Travel Association, India has one of the fastest growing outbound travel markets in the world. The CIA World Factbook website reports that as of 2010, India has the second highest population in the world, home to 117 crores 31 lakhs 8,018 nationals. By 2030, the population of India is expected to surge ahead of China to become the largest in the world. While the country grows, so does the outbound tourism. Indians leave their home country to tour other parts of the world, from nearby Asian countries to Australia, Canada, the US and beyond. According to the Indian Tour Operators Promotion Council, outbound tourism statistics show that approximately 5 lakh Indians are issued visas to Britain each year. Malaysia, one of Asia's most highly toured destinations, expects about 3 lakh Indian tourists every year, ahead of Australia, Taiwan and the US. In 2005, 7.2 million Indians traveled abroad. In 2006, over 8.3 million Indians toured abroad, a 16% increase in numbers from the previous year. Bon Voyage International was formed with a mission to provide quality service as a specialist in the delivery of unique travel experiences. We offer a full range of destination management services and tour packages to clients and travel partners worldwide to experience the best service. Professional travel service backed up by considerable experience and a meticulous attention to detail are our hallmark. Our team offers new and imaginative ideas, personal attention, and work to our clients' budget requirements. To provide our clientele with unparalleled service for any kind of tours from leisure, business, honeymoon, corporate incentives, pilgrimage, sports, and education across the world.
Atithi Devo Bhava, Atura Devo Bhava. A guest is a worshipful person. A patient is a worshipful person, to be respected and served with love, care, and dignity. Welcome to Kerala, God's own country. Awash with the soothing waves of the Arabian Sea and sheltered by the majestic terrains of the Western Ghats, Kerala is truly God's own country. Kerala, a green paradise renowned for its highest life expectancy, lowest infant mortality rates, and India's most advanced healthcare system, one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world today. Kerala has also become a much sought-after healthcare destination with its global standards, specialist doctors, international air connectivity, and excellent accommodation options, and making it an ideal place to recuperate the inspiring environs and a warm tropical climate. To top it all, the world-class advantage you enjoy here come at a fraction of the cost in destinations like the US, Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. Our hospitals are well listed globally, providing world-class treatments in the areas of orthopedics, cardiology, plastic and cosmetic surgery, neurosurgery, urology and renal transplantation, head and neck surgery, endocrinology and diabetics, and all sorts of ultra-modern treatments. Ayurveda, the ancient traditional method of treatment involving combinations of various herbal medicines, physical massages, and forms of therapy, offers excellent remedies for many illnesses. Ayurvedic therapies can be used to treat ailments like anxiety, arthralgia, asthma, back pain, diabetics, disc prolapse, diseases of the eyes, hypertension, peptic ulcer, rheumatic joint pains, etc. Bon Voyage International brings you the best treatment packages in Ayurveda with world-class state-of-the-art treatment facilities in Kerala. The hospitals in Kerala are committed to courteous and compassionate patient care. Bon Voyage International's patient program offers comprehensive support to the patients and their family members who have to adjust to new people, new environment, and complex medical procedures. Our specially trained team of multilinguistic professional staffs take care of all communication problems and meet your travel and treatment requirements. The value-added services offered by Bon Voyage includes airport pickup, reception at VIP lounge, dedicated health inquiry, personal attention, travel needs towards hospital and hotel, customized cuisine, world-class accommodation, and arranging tour programs, etc.